Hey, hey, everybody! It is JT, and we are coming at you for. Oh, my finger was in the way. We are coming at you live, two places at one time. We are waiting on Chad to join us. The screen. Oh my word! Hey, we did it! Yay! Chad, where are you?
I'm good. How is everything there in Starkville?
It is Skippy fantastic and Starkville. How are things there in Meridian?
Going good. Going very good. Can't complain too much. Had a good couple of days.
Hey, Lindy.
Hey, Lindy, how are you? Hey, Scott, how you doing? Thanks for joining us. So JT, where are you?
I am actually, let's see if we can get the background, at the UPS store. This is where they mail out all of our happies and all of our little samples that we send out. Hey, Emery.
Hey, Z. Hey, Emery.
And just in case you're wondering, hey, Mark, a happy, because some people don't know what a happy is. A happy is when you get something unexpected and it makes you smile, so therefore makes you happy.
That's right. Hey, Dad, how you doing? Thanks for joining us. So the beginning of this week, JT posted a thing. What was it called? Math Monday or Monday Math? Monday Math. We did a little contest to see who could get the Monday math correct, and it was a brain teaser kind of thing. So you had to think a little bit. It made my head hurt when I was trying to do it, and I'll be real honest with you. The first time I did it by hand, I got the numbers incorrect. When I used a calculator, I got it right. And it's not higher math or anything like that. But I'm gonna make an attempt. Hey, Casey, how you doing?
Casey.
I'm gonna make an attempt to flip my screen around here. All right, can you see that? Can you see that?
We can see it.
All right, that's what we put out on Monday for the Monday Math to see if everybody could kind of figure that out. And what the deal was, the first person to get the correct answer, we were going to have a little prize we were going to give them. So I'm going to kind of go through how this math problem actually works. So the first thing you've got there is you've got mineral peptides equal 27. So if you divide 27 by 3, you know that they're going to equal 9 apiece. So you have 9 plus 9 plus 9 equals 27. So starting out on the second line, you got the mineral peptides. We already know that's 9. And you get the moisturizer, and you get 2 of the moisturizers. So if you take 17 minus 9, that gives you 8. Divide that by 2, because you got 2 moisturizers there. They're going to be 4 apiece. So now we know that the moisturizers are worth 4. Mineral peptides worth 9. Moisturizers are worth 4. We move on down to the next line, and we've got 2 eye cloths and a moisturizer. Well, we know that the moisturizer is 4 from the one before that. So if we take that off the 24 there, we've got 2. That means we have eye cloths worth 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 4 is going to equal 24. Now is when the whole brain teaser thing starts. What you've got to remember is you've got to remember your math rules. And in math rules, first thing you're going to look for is you're going to look for parentheses. Well, we don't have any parentheses in this here math problem. And so you've got to know which direction you're going to have to start. And you start with multiplication. This, I think, is where everybody messed up when they went to adding it. Now, if you used a newer calculators are a lot smarter than the average human. And if you put the stuff in left to right, so if you put in mineral peptides equal 9 and moisturizer equals 4, and then eye cloths equals 10, and then you said times 10, it actually gave you the right number if you used the calculator. But we're going to tell you how to do this by hand. So you do the multiplication first. So you have 2 eye cloths. We already know they're worth 10 apiece. So you have 10 times 10, which is 100. Then you take the moisturizer and add that to the mineral peptide, and that's 4 plus 9, which is 13. You add those 2 together because you have a plus sign in between there, and now you have 100 plus 13, which is 113. Now, is everybody totally confused?
Yes.
All right, so that's the way that whole math problem works out. We've got it. JT's got that posted on her page. If you want to go back and look at that, so the correct answer is 113. So JT, who was our big winner?
So the first person is Maggie Dowell. She and her daughter plays soccer. And so they are always going to soccer games. So they're getting a full-size sunscreen because you can't go anywhere without sunscreen. And we will be shipping that to them as soon as I get her address. Hey, Jane. Hey, Tiffany. Hey, Mary Todd.
Hey, Mary Todd. Hey, Greg. Thanks for joining us. So another thing we wanted to do is we wanted to we're going to give some little prize. We're going to give a little happy to everyone that participated in our little Monday math. So you'll be looking for, you need to either direct message me or JT your address, and we will get you, if you participated in our Monday math question, we're going to send you out a little happy in the mail from the UPS store that JT's standing in front of right there. Also, we wanted to do something else for everyone. So we are going to, hey Mom, how you doing? We are going to give away another little giveaway prize for this month. Don't drop the phone.
Well, I dropped the phone, but I dropped the prize. Hold on.
All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to give away a full-size active hydration serum. Anyone who places an order over $80 this month. But that's not the only way you can get into our little drawing. If you share this live video, so share this live video on your page, we will put your name in the hat as well, and we will put you into our drawing for the active hydration serum. And so what's the retail value on that, JT?
You know, I am so good at this, I am not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's over $100 value.
Yeah, there'll be over $100 value in this. Hey, Tommy, how you doing? Be over $100 value. So anyone that places an order with us this month will be entered in the drawing automatically if you have an order over $80. And if you share this video on your page, we will put your name in the hat as well, and we will do the drawing the first week of November. So we'll do that the first week of November. Hey, Amanda, how you doing? We'll do that the first week of November. And so if you want any information about any of the products we talked about tonight that were in our little math problem, or if you want the math professor, JT, to give you some personal tutoring on how to do your math, just contact us. We'll be happy to help you out.
Actually, there's a little funny story about me being a math professor. Do you want to tell them, Chad?
Oh, yeah. So where were you?
We were at a family gathering in Covington, Louisiana, and we had just moved to Starkville, and they were asking us how we got to Starkville. Like, what did we do? Was it job-related, family, what? So I clearly told them that I had gotten a job as a math professor at Mississippi State, which anybody that knows me knows I can't do math. So that was the joke in and of itself. However, the person that I was telling didn't know me that well, so they just bought right into my lie. And my friends, Chad and Kenneth Liddy and Dawn Starkey that were there, all busted out laughing. So I am the math professor. Miss Breland can attest to that, my high school math teacher.
Yeah, so it's been a big joke about every time we joke about that, we tell people, oh yeah, JT's a math professor at Mississippi State. So it's just a little inside joke with all of us. Hey Ed, how you doing? Thanks for joining us. Well, everybody, we appreciate you joining us this week for our Where Are We Wednesday. We will be back in Starkville at some place next week. We're going to have to come up with something fun to do next week, a fun place to be. We may have to start doing these a little earlier because it's starting to get a little dark on us at 7:30. So we may bump it up to about 6:30 or something like that for next week. But we'll let everybody know where we're going to be and what we're going to be doing next week. And we will see everyone then. See you later.